Welcome back, team. How you all doing? So today was the samosa spring roll money back day for me. I wanted to feel like a baby girl, so I went to the supermarket to buy already made wrap sheets. But guys, it wasn't giving me what I wanted. It was so thick and breaking. In fact, that was supposed to pass for shawarma, not small chops. Okay, so I decided to take this painful making of this myself. Yeah, guys, this is really painful. If you must make it yourself, then you have to be ready to endure the pain because your fingers are gonna burn, gonna hurt. Or better still, you can use brush to do this rather than using your fingers, okay? And you have to pay attention to the weight of your wrapping sheet. It has to be very tiny so that your chops would come out very crispy and not break even while you're trying to wrap them, okay? So yeah, the batter was just flour, sugar, and salt, and you pay attention to the consistency. You saw what I showed you when I was doing that, so that you have a very good outcome at the end of the day. So yeah, basically this is me enduring the heat, guys. And then notice that I had different sizes. To some of them it was just around the frying pan, and then some of them I made it to the brim because I needed a larger one like this. If you're making samosa, then you have to get a very big wrap. Yeah, in fact, this frying pan was not even the size I was supposed to use for samosa wrapping sheet. And yeah, also bear in mind that you need to dedicate a frying pan for this so that you always get the best. If you use a scratched frying pan, then you will definitely get something that will be breaking like this. Okay, so this was the one I got from the supermarket, and guys, this one, no, I was trying to roll, everything was just breaking. So this is just best used for shawarma, not money bag, samosa, spring roll. No, it cannot roll. No. All right, so this is me showing you the beauties that I made. Notice the sizes I talked about. They are of different sizes. You need the smaller ones for your spring rolls and your money bags, but for your samosa you need a very big one. Please give me your thumbs